In this video, I introduce a modern Hopfield net. A Hopfield net describes how the future state of activity of each neuron depends on the known present or previous activity of all neurons. Dynamics in binary response on Hopfield net is described by a one-at-a-time update of the state of the neurons. An energy function is defined on Vi, and the dynamics consists of changing the activity of each single neuron to decrease the total energy of the system. Continuous response Hopfield net uses continuous variables to represent the output of neuron I, where Vi is a monotonic function of input current. The dynamic is expressed as a set of fourth-order differential functions for which the energy of the system always decreases. Modern Hopfield net uses a continuous variable and continuous time, and it consists of two types of neurons, namely memory neurons, feature neurons. The evolution for neurons states is defined here, where Xi is the current of the feature neurons and H mu is the current of the memory neurons. There are no connections between feature neurons or memory neurons. The nonlinear functions alpha and G are outputs of memory neurons and feature neurons respectively, which depend on currents of neurons. For example, alpha and G are defined as a derivative of Lagrangian here. Neuron states are completely defined for the specified Lagrangian functions f and g. Dynamical trajectory always converges to a fixed point attractor state because the equation is specifically designed so that it has a following energy function. The terms are grouped into this square bracket and this square bracket represent the Lagrangian transform of Lagrange function with respect to the state of the neurons. If hashing of Lagrange functions are positive semi-definite, the energy function is guaranteed to decrease on the dynamical trajectory, namely derivative of energy with respect to the time t is smaller or equal to 0. This property makes it possible to prove that the system of dynamical equations describing temporary evolution of neurons' activities will eventually reach a fixed point attractor state. For more details, please check with these references. Thank you. Bye.